Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. This is Sandy Nagel for Graphic 45. And today I'm sharing how I transformed a Tim Holtz small folio into this elegant vintage mini album using my supplies from Graphic 45. You'll find a supplies list with links in the area right underneath this video and also in my blog. Please visit my blog for full project pictures, paper crafting ideas, and surprises. But first, here are my disclosures. First thing I did was to remove the elastic closure and cover up my mini album base with black cardstock. Next, I made a 4-page binding system to fit the folio spine. In this case, the spine measures about 1 1/8 inches. Once my binding system was in place, I decided to trim off the top flap, and later on, I also decided to trim off the bottom flap. A while back, I figured out a system to add pages that works for me, and it's super easy and I get a perfect fit each time. I make each page a pocket page, lay one piece of cardstock down, glue the binding, and then glue the top page right over that. I continue this process for the 3 remaining pages. I add a waterfall to the inside back cover, redirect the closing mechanism, and my folio is transformed to a sturdy mini album base for my Graphic 45 Communique collection. Many of you have asked me how I go about in transforming my Tim Holtz folios, and here it is. As you can see, it's a fairly simple process. I hope that you found my process helpful, and remember to visit my blog for complete project pictures. I'll see you once again in the next video.